Hello beautiful people, and welcome to Creating with Mimi. Today's video is all about fall decor and what I did in the kitchen dining area. Can't wait to share with you guys. What you're looking at now is some before pictures. I believe this was fall last year and we were all into the green. Then I created some beautiful fall floral arrangements from Hobby Lobby. And I carried that green on to spring for that same eating area. Let's get into it. I can't wait to share with you guys the process for fall 2022. First off, I've had these green chairs for a couple of years now. I will be switching them out, but I'm not going to get rid of them. What you see me doing right now is actually preparing to place them in storage in order for me to keep my furniture for years, utilize them and reuse them from time to time. I will make sure that this process and that I'm wrapping things, protecting it as much as possible. Actually use bubble wrap because of the way that I'm going to store this. I need to protect the wood, plastic on top of the bubble wrap, and give it a pretty secure covering.
Wake up, feel the emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face. Every single day just stays the same. I don't really care and it's a shame. I know I had it coming and I don't care to explain. Why should I ever stop, ever stop? Why should I give you up, give you up? And when do I see myself every day? Repeat itself, repeat itself.
Next, I have removed the old rug and I purchased this new rug that has all of the fall colors that I'm going to be using. You guys saw the video, or if you didn't see the video for the kitchen, all of the warm autumn colors for fall I will be utilizing. And this rug is just gorgeous. It just picks up on everything. This is the old rug that was there before. I'm going to place that in a different part of the house and utilize this new rug, which is just simply elegant, and I was so lucky to find it. I've already made the arrangement that I'm actually going to utilize, and I'm spraying the grass with hairspray. One of you guys told me last fall that if I sprayed it with hairspray, the pampas grass, it wouldn't blow everywhere. And guess what, guys? She was right. Just a little bit of hairspray is still moving, so it doesn't make the pampas grass stiff, but it's not shedding everywhere, because I love the look of it. But who wants to have pampas grass in their food? Thank you for that. And yes, it truly does work. Now these pillows, guys, are from my YouTube sister, Decorating by Chanel. I'll leave the link, but let's talk about the pillows. They are absolutely gorgeous. It is the perfect shade of camel. All of the warm fall colors that I wanted without bringing in too much of that burnt orange. It's a suede material on one side, and the other side is a white material. Love, love, love these pillow covers. This stand I've had for some time, and I've used it for years, different parties, and I decided to just create my own centerpiece by placing a Lazy Susan down below. I love the movement of a Lazy Susan, and I'm placing the actual centerpiece that I've made with the pampas grass and just some ornate balls. You can pick this stuff up at like Hobby Lobby, Home Goods. It's fairly inexpensive, but the impact that I'm getting for the simplistic style that I'm looking for is absolutely amazing. The white chargers I'm bringing back. They were on the table before, and I want to create that light, airy feeling, kind of like a monochromatic tone, keep things pretty neutral. But I do want a punch of color. You guys will be surprised to see what the punch of color will be that I'm going to use this year on the table. black plates. And this is my first time, I think, utilizing black plates, but I purchased these like a few years ago because I knew I was going to use them for something. I was probably going to use them for a party. Now I'm going to use them for this fall 22 decor, and I'm going to utilize black plates, black bowls. It's just a little bit, but it carries a long ways. If you guys saw the video in the kitchen, I painted out one wall in the kitchen black. Absolutely love that effect. There is a wall in the family room in that video, has the black crocodile wallpaper. It's gorgeous. So it's just a little subtle hints of black. Black is the new neutral. Very little of it will take you and carry you a long way in your design. It's almost like what the gray did for us 10, 12 years ago. Black, it's taking that place, or another pop of color. Playing around to see what I want as an accent on the table. I do not like this greenery, so I'm taking it away. At the bottom of this stand, I'm just adding a regular white bowl, and it's just something I needed to fill that area. I do like to have candles out on the table, but I didn't want to place a bunch of candles, so I'm placing the white bowl there, and it's just a regular cereal bowl. I'm going to place a candle inside of the bowl. Love these chairs. I purchased them maybe a year or so ago, and I was going to place them in a client's home. I didn't do it, and I was unable to send them back. They are metal, fabric, and wood. Very, very transitional. I love the sleek line, the detail in the chair. I think these are going to be my forever chair. I decided to use fresh floral, and this is going to dry out. It's just baby's breath, so it'll dry out really nice. And that I will place and use for my accent piece for my bowls. This gold silverware, you can pick this up anywhere. I think I saw some the other day at Home Goods, but it just adds the perfect contrast, a little hint of color, and so I'm placing them inside of the bowl in different types of arrangements. Some of them are straight, some of them are crisscross, but I think it's just gorgeous with that white baby's breath, and it's just a presentation or something I will look at every day, and this is something else that would bring a smile on my face. It's just so elegant, so simplistic. Yes, if I was serving guests, I would iron out my napkins but this is for me. This is just my home, everyday use. No one cares if the napkins are wrinkled. Enjoy the video, and as always, guys, make every single day a great day.
Like every see you need something else than what you want. I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really liked you. I'm not missing you. I'm not fooling myself just like you. I'd rather break my own thread like a needle and stitch you up just for you to tear it up again. Now I'm through. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. All you know is superficial. Some of it stays, some of it goes. Like a trend, you are a symbol of something no one ever will understand. I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really liked you. I'm not missing you. I'm not fooling myself just like you. I'd rather break my own thread like a needle and stitch you up just for you to tear it up again. Now I'm through. I'm not missing you. 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 I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really liked you. I'm not missing you. I'm not fooling myself just like you. I'd rather break my own thread like a needle and stitch you up just for you to tear it up again. Now I'm through. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I've got 30 minutes if you wanna spill your mind. Give me all your reasons to why I should take my time. Used to have forever, but you never cared that much. Just tell me why I should give you more than a goodbye, baby. Why you won't tell me why you won't do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again, and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again. I've got 30 seconds if you wanna pick your price. Don't ask for forgiveness, 'cause you know I'm not that type. You know you had me good, but now I can't look into your eyes. Oh baby, just tell me why I should give you more than a goodbye, baby. Why you won't tell me why you won't do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again, and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again.
If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.